Alright, YouTube and the Z900 owners, I have upgraded the bike just slightly. I have eliminated the stock factory footrests as well as the exhaust hanger bracket, and as you can see, it is a much cleaner look. It actually shaves, I think, about 3 pounds from what the website I saw says. And these are the Evotech-Performance. If you're looking for installation instructions, not that it's very hard, they're on the bag. Go online and see it. It actually comes with a blanking kit to pull the stock or the left side footrest off, and to give you an idea of exactly how much thinner it is or stock, there's kind of a comparison for you. So quite a bit thinner. My foot doesn't hit it nearly as badly, and even if it does, it's easy enough to angle your foot just a little bit off of it instead of with this contraption that was so damn wide that you just kind of butt it up against it. And I wear 9.5. If you had a size 12 or whatever, I can't imagine what it'd be like trying to ride this thing. But actually, it's a really nice kit. Don't notice any vibrations. What's nice is this actually comes with a rubber grommet on the inside. You slip in, so it helps isolate the vibrations. So as you can see, you've got basically it's a collared sleeve that goes on the outside, and there's a washer, and you're supposed to put this other collared sleeve on the inside of the exhaust. The problem is, at least with the yoke hanger for the pipe, it doesn't fit it, so I just went without. So I'll just put some blue Loctite on the screws, screwed them in. It's pretty straightforward. It doesn't take long to do. Looks damn nice. So there's that. So I've taken it out, ridden it. Really pleased with it. So I'd give motivationusa.com a hit. I believe it was like 90-some bucks for the kit, so cheaper than, I believe it's R&G that has another one, and I don't even know if theirs has a rubber grommet to isolate the vibrations, but looks great, rides great, and there you go. So hope to see you all out on the road.